Hi, my name is Eric and welcome to today's video. With me is
Kevin. Hi guys.
Today we're going to be talking about the bookings page video. So this video I guess is for our new teachers, the ones who are just becoming familiar with our platform. You just got through the mock class process and you are ready to teach. And you want to open some slots. How do you do it?
We're going to show you in this video.
After you've logged into your portal, click on Bookings to bring you to the Bookings page. This is where you can open slots and check your bookings for all classes. You can also copy last week's schedule, make changes to availability, or contact VIPKid with any questions or concerns. Here you can confirm that you are in the correct time zone. If you need to make changes, just head over to Account Center. You will have to unlock your schedule before you can open slots. Time slots can be booked anytime from 2 weeks out to just outside of 24 hours, unless the class has been marked short notice.
So now you're familiar with how the bookings page works, and now you're ready to put in time slots. So what does that look like? You're going to see a lot of different things on the platform, so we'll show you here what all those things mean.
PPT and PT stand for peak time and peak time. This is the time frame when most students usually take classes. These slots are marked on the bookings page. Different colors have different meanings. White shows slots that can be made available for booking. Blue is a slot that has been made available for booking. Green is a slot that has been booked. Gray with slashes are slots that cannot be used anymore. Gray and finished means that the booked class is finished. Gray and canceled means the booked class was canceled. Gray and expired means the available time slot that was not booked has expired.
You may also see an orange slot, which is a class requested by your student.
So now we're going to talk about short notice bookings. And that's when you tick the box and you can be booked within 24 hours. I think it's easier if we just show you within the app though.
Ticking the short notice box means that the class can be booked within 24 hours of the start time, anytime up to 1 hour before class.
So that's a brief look at the bookings page. If you have more questions about VIPKid or online teaching, make sure to follow us and find more videos on this channel. My name is Kevin.
And I'm Eric.
And this is Darla. All right, we'll see you guys next time.